Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Learning with Aisha is excited to present Comprehension Mastery. Discover how to tackle challenging passages, answer varied question types, and unlock word meanings through contextual clues. To answer comprehension questions effectively, you first need to understand the type of questions you might face. Analytical questions ask you to break down the passage's structure and ideas, while critical questions require you to evaluate the passage's content or purpose. Open ended questions encourage you to express your opinion or provide an interpretation. Inferencing involves reading between the lines to understand what is implied but not directly stated. And multiple choice questions test your knowledge of specific details or ideas. Let's start to explain analytical questions. Analytical questions require you to deconstruct the passage. Start by identifying the main argument or purpose of the text. You need to break down each paragraph to find supporting details and look for cause and effect relationship. This method will definitely help you understand how the author builds their case or ideas. When we talk about the critical questions, so it means that you are challenging yourself. Critical questions challenge you to evaluate the passage. Consider the author's perspective. Are they biased? What assumption are they making? Look for any logical fallacies and assess the strength or weaknesses in the argument. This kind of thinking will help you form a critical response or to the text. Open ended questions allow you to express your own interpretation about the text. You need to use examples from the passage to back up your opinions and feel free to include your own insight or offer alternative perspective. This is a great opportunity to showcase your own critical thinking skill. Let's talk about inferencing. Inferencing involves reading between the lines. Authors often leave subtle clues in the text, whether through word choice or hints at a deeper meaning. You need to use these clues to draw logical conclusions, and in this way, you will be able to understand the hidden ideas or the hidden meaning of the words. Multiple choice questions can be tricky. First of all, skim the text to locate keywords from the question. This will definitely help you to find the accurate answer in the given passage. After that, you need to eliminate any obviously incorrect answers. If you are unsure, you need to reread the relevant section of the text and confirm your right choice. Like inferencing question, we have context clues to infer the meaning of difficult words. From the context, it is an important skill, and the students need to pay attention to the words and sentences around the unfamiliar term. There may be some synonyms given or antonyms that can help you to guess the correct meaning of the word. Additionally, prefixes, suffixes, and root words, they can also provide hints about the word's meaning. At the end of this video, let me share some tips and suggestions which can help you to comprehend the text with clarity or with proper understanding. To succeed in comprehension, I would advise you to start by skimming the text to get a general idea of what it's all about. If certain sections are challenging, you need to reread them carefully. When you are answering the questions, always use evidence from the text to back up your responses. Practice inferencing regularly and make sure you manage your time during exams or tests. Most importantly, you need to stay calm and focus. Mastering comprehension takes time, but I know that with regular practice, you will improve your ability to analyze, infer, and respond to all types of questions. Keep reading, keep analyzing, and never stop questioning. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe my channel for more tips on improving your reading and comprehension skills. And don't forget to share your comments. Allah Hafiz.